In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove network drive on Windows 11. This should be a quick process video. Now, without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. Now, the first thing you have to do is to open up File Explorer, as you can see. Go ahead, click on this PC, and then if you have a network drive on your computer, you will find it here. Just go ahead, right-click on it. Click on Show More Options, and like what I said, if you have a network drive and you want to remove it, you will find the option to disconnect it right here. It will appear for you right underneath Pin to Start. There will be a button that says Disconnect, and when you find it, just go ahead and click on it, and the network drive will be disconnected and removed. And that's how to remove network drive on Windows 11. As always, thank you for watching.